Hello guys, come back again with Riser the Ceramic. Now in episode 5, we will talking about Amazon revenue. Amazon has report in the quarter 2, the 2026, yesterday in 30 July 2026. And the number is amazing, like the name Amazon is around 244%. Now, let's check it out for the revenue and data. Okay, because that revenue, Amazon jumped 15% in a single day. Now, let's read the actually feeling. Net income up to 144%. AWS growing as its fastest rate in 18 quarter and free cash flow that just turned negative. So it's time to buy a tip for Amazon. I don't own Amazon and I cannot promise you any return. Everything here is a public data from Amazon quarter 2 2026 earnings release that 30 July 2026 plus market data to the 31 July 2026. Net sales the quarter 2 2025 is 167.7 billion, up to 20% in quarter 2 2026 is 200.6 billion. Operating income is 19.2 billion up to 27.5 billion is around 43%. And net income is absolutely brilliant from the 18.2 billion jump to 62.6 billion is around 244%. Daily earning per share also jumped to 144%. Wow, start with AWS because this is the number that shocks is AWS revenue quarterly from June 2024 is 26.28 and then September 2025 is 33.1 and then March 2026 is 37.59 and June 2026 is 42.23. Okay, the AWS still revenue growth year over year from the June 2024 is 18.70% up to 19.5% and little down 18.93%, down 16.89% and up from the June 2025 is 17.47 and now is 36.79%. Operating income by segment from the North America is up from 7.5 billion to 9.1 billion. For international, up from the 1.5 billion to 1.7 billion, and from AWS 10.2 billion up to 16.6 billion. Brilliant. Now about that 244% profit jump. This is the part you need to see before you believe the headline. Where the profit increase actually came from. Net income as report quarter 2 2025 is 18.2 billion up in the quarter 2 2026 62.6 billion is changed to 144%, of which non-operating other income pre-tax primarily from the investment in Anthropic. So Anthropic and Amazon is cooperation for like the data center for cloud AI. So if cloud AI is usage, so Amazon get revenue too. Dilute EPS is also brilliant from 1.6 to 5 percent. Most of the 2,244% is a paper gain, not a sell. Amazon stake in Anthropic was revealed upward, no cash change hand, and it can be revealed toward next quarter. The number that reflect the business Amazon actually run is operating income up 43%. That is excellent, and it's not 244%. The quiet compounder, advertising is now bigger than most people realize. Advertising service revenue quarterly in the US billion from the June 2024 is 12.77, and then December 2024 is 17.29, and a little drop in the March 2025 is 13.92%, and December 2025 is up again the 21.32, and now is a little drop in the 19.81%. Advertising revenue growth year over year in the percent from the June 2024 is 19.55%, and September 2024 is 18.83%, and March 2025 is 17.74%, and up from the June 2025 until now June 2026 is in the 26.22%. The segment, the whole business, one table, Amazon on supplement disclosure. Net sales by segment, US million, Amazon supplemental disclosure. Is you can focus on the year over year percent. Online store is up 15%, physical store up 4%, third party seller service up 16%, advertising service up 26%, subscription service up 12%, AWS up 37%, and other up 22%. It's like the name Amazon, so amazing. The same table grow excluding currency effect. Year over year growth is online store is up 15%, physical store up 4%, and then third party seller service up 16%, advertising service up 26%, subscription service up 12%, AWS up 37%, and other up from 4% to 23%. What this growth is costing? The number almost nobody put in the headline. Cash flow trailing 12 months in the US billion. Operating cash flow to June 2026 is 121.1 billion. To June 2026 is 161.4 billion. It's changed 33%. Free cash flow is 18.2 billion and down to minus 7.6 billion swing. Because what? Because for CapEx, capital for modal for AI, so it's minus 7%. Operating cash flow is up 33%. Free cash flow when negative. Amazon is generating most cash from operation than ever and spending all of it and more on data center and chips. That is a deliberate bet on AI demand. It is also the single biggest risk in this report. If the demand doesn't arrive, that spending doesn't come back. So, it is time to buy the Magnificent 7 again. Start by looking at how bad their year actually has. Magnificent 7, year-to-date share price change. In the 2026, Apple, year-to-date now is up 23.93%. Alphabet, up 4.33%. Amazon is up only 0.25%. Meta is minus 19.54%. Tesla is minus 31.24%. Microsoft is roughly minus 19%, and Nvidia is modest gain. The group versus the market 2026 year to date. Magnificent 7 only 5.5%. US large mid index is up 10.6%. Micron up to 128.4%, and SanDisk up 605.2%. So up to you. You want to invest in Magnificent 7 or another stock? The Magnificent Seven didn't lead this market. Memory did. Throughout mid-July, the group had gained around 5.5%, again a market up 10.6%, and is on track for its worst year since 2022. The leadership went to the memory names I covered in earlier episode. That is the real context for asking whether it is time to come back or not. I would actually watch from here. Fourth thing to check in quarter 3. First, you must check, does AWS hold above 30% growth? Second, does free cash flow is come back? Yeah, from the JPEG. Third, advertising 26% growth rate. And fourth, operating income, not net income. Ignore any headline driven by revaluing an investment stake. For answers, first, the 244 is not repeatable. Second, JPEG is enormous and rising. Nah, this is one of the most important. 66.1 billion more spent on property and equipment year over year. Third, the stock jumped 15% in one day. And fourth, Magnificent Seven is not one decision. Apple up 24% and Tesla down 31% in the same year are not the same trend. Bottom line, what the data support and what it doesn't. Amazon, where it stands after the report, is move on the day is 15.32 up. Very good. And market capitalism is around 2.92 trillion. Price or earning ratio is 32.46. 52-week range is around 196 until 278.56. EPS versus estimate is beat by 216.2 billion. The business ratio is genuine strong. The headline number is not what it looks like. AWS at 37 growth, advertising at 26%, operating income up 43%, all real, all in the feeling. But 244% profit growth is most a revolution, and free cash flow is negative. You must understand. None of this is a buy or sell recommendation. Other on Amazon, every figure came from Amazon on quarter 2 2026 release and public market data shown on screen so you can verify it. Price are from 31 July 2026 close and will be out of date by the time. Subscribe and follow Finance Time and rise.size github.io/my portfolio website. Earlier episode gave Nova, the 2 AI paper, the memory set up, and data talk. Full live breakdown of every holding, wake enterprise reasoning update whenever a position change on Instagram, Edge, and LinkedIn. See you in the next one. Good revenue. All figure from Amazon quarter 2 2026 earning release in the 30 July 2026. Market data as of the 31 July 2026 US close. So that is all about the data. So I will come back to you. Everything on your hand. You will invest in the Magnificent Seven or not. For me, my principle, if the company is needed by most people, so it's good company to invest whenever the time. Like maybe there is a war, there is coronavirus, is never mind if the company is used by most people. Okay, thank you for the hearing me in the episode 5 and come back again in the next day. Bye bye.